Science is the answer to all the questions in your mind, full of fun and learnings here you can find. Get ready for the blast, explosion of knowledge here at last. Science and technology, sing along with energy. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Chemistry, biology, physics and ecology, geology, meteorology, and astronomy. Any more branches you can explore. So come and join us in the world of science. Whoa, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, whoa, oh, oh. So come and join us in the world of science. Yeah!
Hello there, grade 5 scientists. Welcome to our science class. I'm pretty sure every one of you is excited to explore and discover the beauty and wonders in the world of science. So what are you waiting for? Sit back, relax, and have fun learning, for we will answer your what, why, and how questions. I am Teacher Tin, your Guro Ka-Amigo. Plants are one of the most important living organisms on Earth. They play much benefit to both animals and human beings. They produce oxygen needed for the survival of living organisms. Overall, different parts of plants have different roles to perform. Some plants reproduce using their parts, like their roots, stems, and leaves. However, there are some plants which reproduce by using their accessory part, the flower. Flowers are parts that indicate a plant is producing seeds. When seeds are produced, it means the plant performs sexual reproduction. Different parts of the flowers are involved to do such process. Peduncle, also called the pedicel, is the stalk of the flower that is important to hold the fruit. Receptacle is the thickened stem part attached to the peduncle, and it is where the flower or group of flowers grows. Sepals encloses and protects the upper parts of the flower, especially when the flower is still a bud. Sepals are considered modified leaves, which means they have a special function. A flower has always a collection of sepals called calyx. The most observable part of the flower in which people normally appreciate is petal. Petals normally have different colors depending on the type and species of plant. Petals accommodate all insects for pollination. Some flowers have 3 petals while others have 5 or more petals. When petals are in group or biset, they are called corolla. To perform sexual reproduction, a flower has a stamen and pistil that serve as male and female reproductive organ respectively. Stamen, or the male organ, is composed of filament in the anther. The filament is hair-like structure that holds the anther, bringing the pollen grains to the position where it can be released effectively. The anther has 2 major lobes with pollen sacs that carries all the pollen. Pollen grains are released by the anther when they are already matured. On the other hand, pistil is the female reproductive part of the flower. It consists of several parts such as style and stigma. The style is an elongated part of the flower. that supports and connects the stigma to the ovary. It extends to the height where the stigma can collect and trap pollen grains. The stigma, the one that receives the pollen grains, is a sticky and swollen structure at the tip of the style. The fluids that are secreted by the stigma enabling the pollen grains to mature continuously until they germinate. If both pistil and stamen are present, the flower is considered complete or bisexual like rose and gomamela. On the other hand, a flower with either stamen or pistil is considered as incomplete or unisexual. Plants like papaya and cucumber produce only unisexual flower. I hope you had a great time learning with me. Always remember, in science, there is power. Till next time, bye!